In the name of Allah, the Compassionate, the Merciful. This is Uganda, a country in East Africa where Sheikh Abdul alimaya, nicknamed the Tiger of Uganda's development, made a lot of efforts to develop it. Construction and operation of 3 hospitals in Imbali, Bawaria, and Mayog regions, construction of more than 24 mosques and 20 schools, development of electricity, drilling of more than 40 water wells, provisions of free medical care, and creation of job opportunities in light of the establishment of the Islamic foundation Ahlal-Bayt, peace be upon them, are some of his memorable services. Sheikh Abdul alimaya, born in 1950 in a poor family in Uganda. He studied at Namakoko Islamic School in the early 1960s after completing his primary education. Under the influence of the Islamic Revolution of Iran, he became Shia and immigrated to Iran and settled near the holy shrine of the Lady Masuma in the holy city of Qom, and he studied there. Sheikh Abdul returned to Africa after completing his studies at Qom Seminary School. He received his PhD in Kenya in 1985, and after the political situation in Uganda calmed down, he returned to this country and did many activities in the direction of promoting the Ahlal-Bayt school and Islamic religious education. The translation of Imam Khomeini's book Jihad Akbar into Luganda language is one of his scientific works. Finally, this cleric and one of the colleagues and associates of the World Assembly of Ahlal-Bayt, peace be upon them, after a lifetime of scientific and cultural struggle in the way of promoting the Ahlal-Bayt school and enduring many hardships in this way, martyred in 2014. While returning from the Dua Kumel ceremony in Mayogi region, he was targeted by Takfiri groups in a terrorist operation. His body was moved to the city of Kampala, the capital of Uganda, to the Bunia region. And his burial ceremony was held in this region in the midst of a large crowd. In this ceremony, many military and national officials, including the Minister of Foreign Affairs of Uganda and the scholars and clergy of this country were present, and many personalities and political and religious institutions condemned his assassination and issued condolence messages and sympathized with the Uganda Shia community. In the message of the condolence of Hujjatul Islam wal Muslimin Sheikh Hussein Awali, a member of the General Assembly of the World Assembly of Ahlal-Bayt, peace be upon them, in Uganda has come. The land of Uganda has witnessed the sacrifice of this martyr in the way of spreading the Ahlal-Bayt school and fighting for the truth. And the Shias of Uganda lost their father and the mentor with the martyrdom of this man. But we believe that the blood of this martyr was not shed in vain. The blood of this martyr will cause many flowers to bloom, and the martyrdom of such a person will only cause us to insist more in serving the school of Ahlal-Bayt, peace be upon them.